How's it going, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into eSUN's PLA Basic in orange. I've worked with eSUN PLA before. I've had a couple of videos already up on the channel about it. One of the things I do like, cardboard spool, which I happen to be a fan of. It also comes in these nice bags with these little tabs here that are very helpful to get the filament open. But as you can see, this is sometimes it does with cardboard spools. You do have a little bit of an issue with sometimes they'll get like hit and they'll flatten out or be a little bit of a curvature or something like that. But anyway, as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the filament dryer, and I will see you back here shortly. Alright, so we have the Benchy here. If you're new here, we always start out by printing a Benchy in the generic set filament settings for that particular filament, in this case generic PLA in Bamboo Studio. So we get that sliced up. It should take a little under an hour for that, so we're going to get that printed as well as the other other test prints, and I'll see you back here soon. Alright, so we got those test prints printed out, and this is the generic Benchy. As you can see, pretty good, no real major fundamental issues there as far as I can tell with everything. Maybe a little bit on the lettering, but nothing too major. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This one's printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters in spiral gloss mode. Everything looks fine there. Next up, we have the temperature tower. The temp tower here, probably the best one is going to be 215. That one looks pretty good for what it is. No real spikes or no real globs or stringiness on the spike there. Retraction test, everything looks pretty normal with that. No real issues of stringing or anything like that that you might typically see. Max volumetric speed test. This one printed very well up to 20 millimeters cubed per second. Basically, some of your mileage may vary, but without any sort of deformations or skips or anything like that. So that's always good to see there. Next up, we have the overhang test, and the overhang test performed relatively well on the front end. I mean, obviously succeeded, but you did start to see a lot of issues when it comes to, the detail. Anyway, at around 30. Anyway, we got those things dialed in, and we reprinted that Benchy. Like I said, everything looks pretty good. Very little changes that I had to make from the generic settings. But over at Amazon, at time of filming, you can pick this up for less than $13, which is always great to see for PLA. That kind of thing, works pretty well. So, yeah. Anyway, this is the orange color in PLA Basic from eSUN. Relatively speaking, I think it's pretty good if you're looking for that particular color. If you're into 3D printing, I'd appreciate a like, comment, subscribe. I'm a relatively new channel, and it really does help. Anyway, this has been Higgins from Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here on the next full review. Thanks.